Hi YouTube, I've got the Unitron Flex here today. So this is a sort of modular experience where you can upgrade your hearing aids as and when you please through software upgrades and firmware updates. So this is the first time I've opened this box. I've not opened it before, so I don't know what to expect. Well, hearing aids of course, but let's see. Okay. So some packaging, charger, and the Moxie R charger. Let's start with this. Lots of plastic, lots of paper. Okay. Let's have a look. Power pack for the charger, I believe. That's to make it into a travel charger, so I think you've got to lock it in place. Just unlock and lock. And you've got 3 lights. So it's got 3 chargers. You just plug that into a USB charger. Okay, let's have a look at the hearing aids. They're supposed to be some of the smallest rechargeable hearing aids available. Okay. If you purchase this, you might not necessarily see all this. So you can download your remote apps on Google and Apple. Let's open it up. Okay. Good size. These are called receiver in the Canal hearing aids, so let's put a receiver on them. Got a medium left receiver. We'll put a dome on as well. Just slot the 3 pins in. Close. Attached. Put the end of that. Let's put it in the charging box. So you've got blue. Just slot it in. There we go. Let's try the right one. Same again. Go for that medium dome as well. So that's a retention cord, by the way. Just keeps the hearing aid in place. In your ear, of course. So that's the right one. can be a bit fiddly. There it's in, and then you click it into place and slot them in. They're already charging because the power pack's got some charge in it. You can see the light, the orange light means they're not fully charged, so you want the green light to come on. So I'll close it up, plug them in, and then we'll try them on some patients to get some feedback from them. Take care. Bye.